Hi, welcome again. This is Ashish Kyal here from Waves Strategy Advisors. And welcome to the Elliott Wave news channel that we have launched to update our viewers about the current market scenario from Elliott Wave perspective. Now, the headline for the today's news we have mentioned is why next 5 days are going to be very crucial from Elliott Wave perspective for Nifty and Indian equity markets is because the entire rise which came from 8236 levels to the high of somewhere around 8996 actually took 11 days. It has been almost now 6 days that market has been correcting from those high levels, 6 to 7 days. And if we see a move back below 8236 in less than next 5 to 6 days, it will be a strong price as well as time reversal as per advanced Elliott wave concept, as per Neo wave. Which will confirm that a very important top at the high of 8996 is in place, and a bigger degree trend on downside has started, which will last at least for few months from now, and may go through towards May 2015. The downside projections will come up only after we get a price and time reversal together within next few days. However, one very important aspect in the recent sell-off is that the advanced decline ratio has continued to deteriorate and has now reached the level previously we saw in Feb 2014, which states that the current sell-off is definitely a major one. Secondly, over past 3 to 4 days, if you observe, there has been always very heavy declining stocks compared to the advancing, which has not been happened post August 2014. Thirdly, this decline which is happening is on a very systematic and a rotational way. It started with the banking sector, which was the leading sector, and then the banking sector started falling and gave a negative divergence with Nifty, which we also highlighted in our previous update, that the banking sector is looking weak and it is giving a negative divergence. And we very well explained all this scenario right from 21st of January onwards. We have been mentioning this classical divergence. We have been mentioning about how the top should be formed between 8 900 and 9040 levels in our equity daily research report, which we send across to our clients on daily morning. Now, the next 5 days again is going to be crucial because that will break the previous low in faster time, which, as per advanced Elliott wave, Neo wave, suggests that a very important top is in place. Bank Nifty has already done that. It has crossed the rising segment in faster time, moved below the previous low, and in fact, many of the banking stocks like ICICI Bank, SBI, PNB, Bank of Baroda, and they have shown very sharp capitulation on downside. So the leading sector, which was the banking, on the upside has started showing weakness. That is one. Secondly, there was a huge euphoria positive given the Modi wave which was ongoing, and these two reasons were responsible for the market uptrend. And after the clear majority victory by Aam Aadmi Party today, this clearly shows that changing, and a reflection of how the sentiments are changing now. People have started preferring again the extremist of the parties rather than the ruling government at the center. So this extremist selection itself suggests that there is some kind of change in the sentiments which is happening. And the two major, as I'll again repeat, the two major uh, positive sentiments, which was the banking index after the poor results have started capitulating, and the Modi wave is now probably taking a backseat. So people will now finally realize the upside move is probably more irrational than for trend to sustain towards 9500 as many analysts were claiming. And we have been always apprehensive that markets will not cross 9040 levels. From here onwards, the trend is going to remain negative as long as we do not see a move back above 8700 levels. So the best strategy to adopt is to follow the trailing stop loss method. Let this move complete. We expect that next 5 days can be very crucial, and if we break 8236, that will be just the first leg of the down move, and then we will start with a very bigger downtrend. And that is why this is going to be very crucial. Also important pointing out earlier, this is a rotational sell-off. It's not that a single stock has been falling constantly for days, but a rotational sell-off. It started with banking, then we started some sell-off across the mid-cap space and the small cap, which were not performing well. not participating initially. And now since yesterday, or since about 2 days, we are seeing a lot of which is happening in mid cap, small cap as well. And IT, which was been outperforming before, had started showing weakness today. So a rotational sell off has been continuing, and the correction has been getting deeper and deeper on day by day basis. However, does it mean that you initiate a fresh short positions at the lows? It depends. You have to look at the RSI of the on an early scale. Today, by the bounce back of Nifty, there is a very strong relief in the oversold state of the RSI, which is indicating that probably a down move can now start again. And if you are initiating a fresh short, you have to keep your stop loss. Volatility is going to be high, and in this phase of the market, we have observed that there has been times when market has been trying to bounce back after forming the lows, whipsawing around the crucial resistance level, and then again moving low. Same thing happened today. It bounced back sharply from the lows. It was Sensex was up by more than 300 points at one point of time, and then again moved lower. So that is the dynamic of the current market, and that is why closing becomes extremely important during such scenarios. So if, as long as we do not see a close above the previous crucial resistance levels, it is better to carry on with the short positions, probably build on at around 8,850 or 8,800 odd levels, where we have recommended to go short to our subscribers and the clients. At any point of time, if you have any queries regarding the market scenario or any situation, you can always get in touch with us on you can visit the website wavestrategy.com, or you can always write to us at helpdesk@wavestrategy.com, or call us on 99204 and I'll be more than happy to address your queries as and when possible. And stay tuned on this daily on the market updates, which is probably weekly market updates that we keep publishing. And we will be ensuring that we keep educating the investors at large and explaining about the various Elliott wave perspective of the market from time and again. Great. Thank you very much.